Hey guys, what's happening? How to transfer or migrate Google Workspace account. So go ahead to your Google Workspace account and then hit your avatar icon at the top right, and you're gonna press the blue highlighted word above your account or your profile picture or profile avatar. You're gonna see admin console. Just go ahead and press it and then go to account, right? It's not gonna show me because I'm on free trial, right? I haven't paid for the domain yet, so I can't access the the features of Google Workspace. So go to console and then go to the account like in the screenshot and then data migration, right? In the data migration, you're gonna select Google Workspace as the source. It's the same as PC, the same on PC, the same goes for also your phone, right? And choose the data type, email, contacts, or calendar you want to migrate. Then provide the source administrator credentials, map the users, and start the migration process to transfer data from the old to the new account. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.